warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will present my assignments proposal. I choose in chapter 1 by title The Effect of Students' Emotional Intelligence to our English Vocabulary Assignment at First Grade Student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep. Okay, there are some in chapter 1. For example, background, resist problem, resist objective, resist significance, resist scope, and the last, operational definition of terms. Okay, thanks for the time. There are several experts who put their first opinion. The first opinion, the inventor from Goleman, he argues that on the contrary, he states that specific a set of skills such as empathy, self-discipline, and initiative is able to distinguish that such as of mediocre achievers. In addition to intelligence, which can influence job success, he also not debate intellectual intelligence and emotional intelligence. But shows emotional intelligence, he tries to find a balance between emotional and reason. The next, the inventor from Utami. In the learning process, one of the language elements that is a very important in foreign language mastery is vocabulary. This is a basic and a very principle requirement from learning English elements that convey the meaning of the students understanding that the way want to express through writing and speaking. It is even needed by students who want to explore knowledge from any writing text. The importance of vocabulary, for example, is emphasis in the high school curriculum that vocabulary is learned to support the mastery of foreign language skills such as listening, speaking, or writing, or the inventor from Cahyono find that it's easy to teach or develop vocabulary. However, sometimes teachers find it difficult to develop student vocabulary, especially to foster student interest. The teacher state that students lack vocabulary and very low interest in learning. As a result, students have difficulty understanding reading text, understanding information when listening, speaking, or writing. In this case, the teacher has a big role to motivate all students to have the some perception about the importance of English. This may due to several obstacles that hinder learning vocabulary, namely the low interest and motivation of students in learning English, classroom situation and condition, as well as the boredom method used by teacher in teaching English that cause students become discouraged, increasing the inventor from Mayer and Solvay define emotional intelligence as form of social intelligence that improves the ability to monitor their own feelings and choose of others, and use this information to guide a person's thought and action. And then emotional intelligence determine who will a person uses the skill he has. Based on described above, I conclude this research to determine the assignment of student English vocabulary with emotional intelligence, because emotional intelligence is very important in learning. Emotional intelligence in influenced by the life expression a person has and is needed to deal with effective problems. Even in the learning and teaching process in the classroom, it is often found that students have not able to master English vocabulary, which is equivalent to their emotional intelligence abilities. S.L. Goleman said, emotional intelligence has been shown to have an effect on learning. Assignment in teaching English, a teacher not only must have a good knowledge of the language, but also must consider other factors beyond the student themselves, including students, language mastery background, personality impairment, including emotional or emotional intelligence. And then, based on above statement, I found the conclude that English vocabulary is one of the skills that has an important role in English, in learning English. But there are many difficulties faced by students in vocabulary. And then there are four. Research will look at student emotional intelligence. There are four. The research decide to observe with the title "The Effect of Student Emotional Intelligence on English Vocabulary Assignment in First Grade Student SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep." Okay, the next research problem. So based on the background previews, the lack of English vocabulary, especially at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep, is the main problem. In order to elaborate the main problem, the researchers would like to formulate the problem is as follows. Is there any effect of students' emotional intelligence toward English vocabulary assignments at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep? Okay, the next research objective. So, identifying the effect of students' emotional intelligence at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep is the main problem of this research. The specific objective of this current research is to find out the effect of student emotional intelligence toward English vocabulary assignment at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep. Okay, the next research scope. So to make this research clearer and specific, the scope of this research was focused on student emotional intelligence in English vocabulary assignment at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep. Okay, the next research significance. This research contribution significance, but theoretical and practically it may contribute and become the benefit for all people, especially choose who are in the field of education. The first theoretical significance. First contribution to this research is theoretical significance for academic or educational institution is expected to be useful information in the development of science and to know the influence of student emotional intelligence, especially in English vocabulary. And then for the research is expected to be useful information to know the effect of student emotional intelligence at first grade student of SMA Negeri 2 Pangkep, and as reference material for students who want to conduct a research about vocabulary skills. And then the next practical significance. So second contribution to the research is practical significance for students is expected students can be motivated to develop their vocabulary mastery and to help students to be aware about potential and personality to maintain their self-management in order to achieve a good vocabulary. And then for teacher or lecturer is expected to help teacher understand physiological factor such as emotional intelligence that student effect when the learn to English vocabulary is very important. The next operational definition of terms. So in this section, the readers who like to give the operational definition of topic as follows. For example, the first, emotional intelligence. So emotional intelligence is the emotional needs, drives and good all of our behavior. Emotional intelligence more be able to control them and can put themselves in the situation of others, and then be able to read the thought of others. And the second, vocabulary. So vocabulary is very important in a language learning. Moreover, vocabulary is part of language itself. One who is for one the vocabulary of language is impossible to master the language. And then with regarding to the importance of vocabulary, many linguists try to find out to the student achieve English vocabulary easily. Okay, so I think that's all for me. Thank you, Prof. Wallahu yahdihilal khair wal amanah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.